Bitch, they don't. You can't connect it.
Vibe check. Yeah. Okay.
Now everybody sing that shit.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. That's me. That's your mother. Your mother named Tay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be transforming my room with some little lightage. So right now, this is what's lighting my room. My room did not come with a fixture, so I had to buy this lamp. I got this lamp off Amazon. It's really good. It lights up my whole room, but I don't feel like the vibe in here. Like, vibe check. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. So what we're gonna do is I ordered these lights off Amazon. This is what they look like. I feel like somebody beat up the box and threw it at my door. Anyway, but yeah, these are neon LED lights. It comes with a little remote, so you can do that. So we're gonna string them all around the room. So this is what my room looks like. Yes, perimeter. Currently, the state of my room, I have like something there. There's my bed. There's my messy mess over there, my humidifier. It's pretty plain and, well, boring in here. And then there's my bathroom. Yep, there she go, peeking in there. It's dirty in there, but that's beside the point. Anyway, so excuse the mess in here. Oh, and my mirror. Yes. So that's what it's looking like in here. So I have a lot more work that I want to do to my room, but this is gonna be my first step. Well, my first step was my plant over here. I've had her since I moved in here and she is flourishing. I have taken good care of her. I didn't water it today, for the most part. So I felt really accomplished when I got the plant and I got the light, and I haven't really done anything since. And I got my TV mounted thanks to Courtney's father. So we're gonna put some lights in here. I feel like it's gonna give me the jump start that I need. I don't know if this is gonna be enough, and if it's not, I'm gonna be sad, but that's okay, because if it's not, I'll just order more and then string the rest when I get it. Y'all know how I feel about directions, so oh my gosh, they're picture directions. See, this is the energy I need. So for installation, I basically gotta make sure the area is clean. You look clean. And put it, okay, I kind of do wish there were words, because I guess this is a, what is this, a battery? Why would it need batteries if it, okay, I'm confused. And then this connects to this like that. And then this, it says I'm not supposed to do this because it can get hot, but it's just for principle. Plug it into this. What the hell? Oh, probably gotta turn it on. And then power. It ain't working. How do I open it? Give me a second. I figured out the problem, buddy. You just gotta slide that out and then it works. All right, people, moment of truth. It still don't work. Ladies and gentlemen, Amazon gotta run me my money, because one works, but one doesn't. What am I supposed to do with that? Figured out the problem, it was the wrong way. It's all good, they all work. All right, so they both work. You can change the color on both. Yes, oh my God, it's a party, it's a party. Okay. We gonna get to hanging it up. Not like hang it up like, but hang it up like, hang it up. Okay, so lucky for me, I am tall. So although I don't have a step stool to step up there, I have the legs. My question is, will this be long enough to, do I need an extension cord? This is how it looks. We just going to, oh shit, oh damn. Oh, okay, so it comes with double-sided tape, so it's supposed to be on there like this, and then you peel off this part and it sticks on there. Smart. They knew they was doing. Okay, so this kind of looks dumb in the corner, but I'm gonna use this mirror to cover it up. You won't even know the difference. I can already tell that this is not gonna go all the way across my wall. Wow. What the freak? The freak, bro? Okay, I may be tall, but this right here, boo, ain't easy.
So casually keep diving into concrete.
This is not easy. I thought it would be because I'm tall and blah, blah, blah. So this is how they're looking. I'm gonna turn off this light as well so y'all can see. This is how it's looking. Boo-boo. Change the color on that butt. Change it. Oh, there you go.
Close your eye. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know. Sometimes everything just gets hot. Sometimes everything just gets hotter. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark.
So I have run into a problem. So this is dumb. They look good, but it stopped right here, right? And I'm like, okay, maybe they connect.
Bitch, they don't. You can't connect it.
Like, why sell me something? It's not like I just bought two and assumed that they connect, right? They gave me an option to buy 16 feet or to buy 32 feet. And I said, give me 32 feet. But you would think they connect. They don't. They don't connect to each other. So I don't know where to go from here. So it tells me on here that I can connect to the box, right? But how am I gonna get it to the box, bitch? How? How am I gonna do that? When that's all the way over here and the box all the way right here. Make it make sense. Somebody make these directions make sense because I'm about to call with a complaint. I had to take them down because they don't work. They work, but they don't. So it took some of my paint off my wall. Cheap piece of shit. And I could put them on my window here. This is stupid. So stupid. And it ripped off my fucking paint. For now, I'm gonna just do this windowsill right here because I can't. I gotta use them.
Hello. Welcome. Welcome, please. Welcome. Remain seated. Welcome.
I'm trying to act like I'm happy right now
Stay
because
calm.
I'm actually quite disappointed.
And if you can, please enjoy.
So I have a windowsill done. Okay, so we're down here on my floor, ladies and gentlemen. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to string the rest of these lights at the base of my floor. My vibe check is failing right now, bitch. Like, it's not going how I'm planning it to go. So I'm going to take the strip light. Why did I say it like that? We're going to take us, wait a minute. Wait a minute. How I'm gonna do this if my plug is in the middle of the wall, right? They did a terrible job plaster, whatever the freak that mess is. And I have to hook it right here. So I can't string it across here because it has to start there. So luckily this mirror is right here and that back wall won't really be shown. So I guess I'll just, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just string it around town. I'm gonna just get more later. It's just very irritating that they wouldn't think, hey, maybe someone wants to connect the wall. Maybe someone's wall isn't 5 feet long. Let's just get her done, I guess. Stupid.
Lovebirds, I'll just pedal myself. I don't need anyone else. I think I'm fine just drowning in my dumb words. But some.
Okay. Yes. Carrie. It's dark, but this is the vibe right now, boo. So we can go red. Oh my God, it looks like death. We can go, but this red light, you can't even tell what other colors are. That's crazy, okay. Green, not the biggest fan. Blue, orange. Yeah, it's pretty. Flipping through the color options. You can customize colors, I think, too. I can get it to flash. Wait. Okay, I don't like that. 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 I don't like it. Stop. Yeah, I like this. Okay, yeah. So this is what I got done. Hello, honey. This is the window sill part. And then this is what I mean about no vibe. Because like, girl, it's like dead, alive. But you know, I'm gonna buy more lights. I guess they're gonna take more of my money because, but it's pretty, like all the lights are off in here. And it's lit up pretty well. So, you know. Let me try to get a thumbnail picture. Hold on, girl. Hold up now. Yeah, I'll play along with it, and it's cute for what it did. I just kind of wish it covered more of my room, and I guess I'll buy the rest and do a part 2. And when this time I'm gonna buy, I'm probably gonna need like 5 of them. 3. I'm probably gonna need like 10. But yeah, but like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Comment below. Bye, beach.